Hello everybody! I would like to introduce you to our MEVACO product designer. This software designed by MEVACO will help you to create elaborate designs, including perforated sheets with complex contours, perforated zones and fixing holes. Even users who are not familiar with CAD programs can easily use Designer. So we are going to have a look how this software works, and we'll take you on a journey to show you how easy Designer really is. Remember, this is an introduction to all Designer functionalities. So, first of all, you need to go to our online shop and log in to your user account using your email and password. Once you're done with that part, you can go to Customization Tools and click on MEVACO Designer to start the program. Here we are. This is Designer interface. It looks really simple, and it has indeed a very simple structure. There are 6 different sections here: summary, template, outline, perforated zone, fixing holes, and preview. Your perimeters here, and here you can add new position. So start a new drawing. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on add position and set my perimeters. This time we will choose round hole shape, RT round hole staggered pitch, hole diameter 10 mm and hole pitch 15. End pattern is finished pattern. Material steel 1.5 and surface without further treatment. You could have powder coated here, but this time we're gonna choose without further treatment. To confirm perimeters, you click Next. Here we go. We have 4 various options. I can choose New Design and start a drawing from scratch, or import a DXF file, or there are other 2 options like MEVACO templates and cassette templates. In this tutorial, I'm gonna go for a new design. So I click on Insert. This is our drawing area with my perimeters already defined and basic tools. Those tools apply for outline but also for perforated zone and fixing holes. So we go back to outline. I'm gonna turn off grid. This is the very best practice. So turning off grid prevents you from grid snapping but also makes the drawing area simpler to read. As this is an introduction, I'm gonna use our Add Extend and Delete Diminish tools. So I'm gonna click on Add Rectangle tool and draw a simple rectangle. Dimensions are not as significant for the moment. So I'm gonna draw this rectangle. With a second click, I define this opposite corner. Let's say this is our rectangle. I would like to make a cut in this corner. In order to do that, I'm gonna use Delete tool, Cut Rectangle tool. I will cut this rectangle from my basic rectangle here, and I will apply the same for the opposite corner, but just smaller version. Now I can use Add Rectangle tool to show you how that works. So I can extend my outline here, and I can zoom in to be more precise. And remember, zooming in using your mouse wheel is the #1 rule in Designer. It helps you to draw in a very precise way. As you see, we still need to have our perforation. So I go to perforated zone. There is no perforation pattern, and the easiest way to draw it is to click on Adjustment tool, set your margins, say 30 mm, and confirm with this arrow. Here we go. Our perforation pattern is in place, and the major dimensions are also visible. The next section is called Fixing Holes. We are not going to deal with this part at the moment. This will be discussed in another tutorial. So I'm gonna move to Preview that will give you a better overview of your drawing. You can zoom in, you can adjust your zoom, or you can rotate your drawing if you want. And we go back to adjust zoom. Now, all I want to do, I would like to set the number of my metal sheets, perforation sheets. So let's say we will have 10. Of course, you can add another position here and another design if you want. Area has been adjusted. I'm gonna click now on calculate. That will bring me back to online shop and to the shopping cart. Here you can see your unit price and the shipping date. And we're done for today. I hope you really enjoyed this introduction to Designer and that you have already learned how easy this software is. We will discuss more Designer functionalities in other tutorials. Have fun with Designer and have a good day.